Guys, this is LG washing machine 2-in-1 washer plus dryer. This is 10.5 kgs washer and 7 kgs dryer. So this one is control panel and this one is detergent and dispenser drawer. And after opening, this is full is a drum. And this is a door. The cover cap. Drain pump filter. Drain plug. Adjustable feet. Steam cycle. Cotton and cotton plus. Used for colored fast garments, shirt, night dresses, pajamas, etc. and normally solid cotton load. Cotton plus provides optimized washing performance for large amount of laundry with less energy consumption. Used for colored fast garments, shirts, night dresses, pajamas, etc. and normally solid cotton items. Turbo Wash 39 used for various kinds of fabrics except special garments, silk, delicate sportswear, dark clothes, wool, duvet and cottons. The cycle time will differ depending on the water supply conditions, the load and type of laundry. Mixed fabric used for various kinds of fabrics except special garments, silk, delicate sportswear, dark clothes, wool, duvet, curtains. Easy care. Suitable for casual shirts that do not need ironing after washing. Use of polyamide, acrylic and polyester. Allergy care. Helps to remove allergies such as house mites, pollen and fur. Used for cotton, underwear, pillow covers, bed sheets, baby wear. Steam refresh. Use steam to help reduce wrinkleness from dry clothes such as cotton, polyester, blend shirts or blouses. Clothes may be wet and dried after program is completed. Put the cloth in a hanger to dry out. Delicate. Suitable for delicate clothes such as underwear, blouse, etc. Hand wool. For hand and machine washable delicate cloths such as washable wool, linger, dresses, etc. Use detergent for machine washable woolens. Use for wool, silk, hand washable clothes, delicate, easily damaged laundry. Speed 14. Provides fast washing time for small loads and lightly solid clothes. Dry only. Uses the automatic programness to dry most loads. Wash plus dry. Provides a non-stop process of washing and drying in the same cycle. Use of for small amount of laundry which can be dried. Tub clean. This is a special function to clean inside of your appliance. Download cycle. The download cycle program allows you to download new and special washing programs to your washing machine with a smartphone. The default program is on rinse plus spin. I have opened this detergent and drawer. Now I have put the detergent. Now I am closing it. Now I have put the cloths. Now I am going to close the door. Now I am going to turn on. Now here I am going to select Turbo Wash 39. And now I am going to click dry. And it takes 2 or 30 minutes to complete the cycle. Wash plus dry. Now I am going to on. Started taking water. forgot to add any cloths. Now I can click add item. Now it stops and it unlocks the door. Door has been unlocked, so now I can open it. As you can see, I opened it. Again we can put the cloth inside and close the door, and I can just click the password, unpass button, and again starts.